Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a very different and very beautiful kingfisher you will find in Sri Lanka. The black-capped kingfisher. Unfortunately, since 2022, this bird has been listed as vulnerable. The black-capped kingfisher is a tree kingfisher. An unmistakable mid-sized kingfisher with a jet black head, white collar and blood red bill. Widely distributed in tropical Asia from India east to China, Korea and Southeast Asia. It has purple-blue upperparts and pale orange-rufous underparts. Throat is white. Blue tail has black underside and in flight white flashes on the underwings are conspicuous. The species is mainly found in coastal and mangrove habitats but can sometimes be found far inland. Their calls are like locally named Kalu Isasi Madi Pilihuduwa. I have not seen the black-capped kingfisher, but I am really looking forward to see one. These are some of the pictures of our recent safari in a mangrove in Bengali, where you find black-capped kingfishers. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the chestnut-headed bee-eater.